Aihole, a small village located in the bank of Malaprabha River in Bagalkot district of Karnataka, about 490 km from Bangalore city. Though Aihole is like any other village in India, but there is a major difference. The village has around 125 stone temple dating back to 5th century. Aihole was the first capital of Chalukya dynasty before they moved their capital to Badami on 5th century. Nowadays, it's a famous tourist destination and a popular place for Chalukyan style of architecture. Aihole is also known as the cradle of Hindu temple architecture. According to archaeologists, there was a mass experimentation of temple architecture, stonework, and construction techniques took place in this region between 4th to 12th century, and this resulted in 16 types of freestanding temples and 4 types of rock-cut shrines.
Aihole inscription name was Aryapura. According to Indian mythology, after killing Kshatriyas, Rishi Parashuram went to Malaprabha River to wash the axe, and the color of the water turned red. Some villagers saw the river and they shouted, Aihole, Aihole, and thus nowadays it is called as Aihole.
How to reach Aihole? Aihole is well connected by rails and roads to all major cities in South India. The nearest station is Bagalkot, which is 28 km, and Badami, which is 34 km from Aihole. There are also regular buses plying between Aihole and cities like Bangalore, Bijapur, Hyderabad, etc. Now, where to stay? As it is a small village, you will not get much options to stay in Aihole, but there are many options available in Bagalkot and Badami. You will easily get rooms from 800 rupees to 3000 rupees per day. For more information, do refer our Badami video as well. So let's start exploring Aihole, and if you have not yet subscribed our YouTube channel, do like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos.
Hi everyone, how are you doing? Hope you all are doing good. Once again, very warm welcome to our YouTube channel Art and Travel Studio. So, let's start our today's journey. So today we are at Aihole, which is a small village in Bagalkot district of Karnataka. Aihole is known as the cradle of Hindu temple architecture. There are hundreds of temples in the village and the fields nearby. It is said that within a square kilometer area, there are more than 125 temples, and the most of them were dated 4th to 8th century CE. At first, we are heading towards Meguti Hill. There are 200 stairs to reach the hill. Also, there is a Buddhist temple on the way to Meguti Hill. Meguti Jain Temple is situated inside the protected walls of Aihole Fort on the top of Meguti Hills. It was constructed in 634 CE at the time of Pulakeshi II. Meguti Temple is the only dated monument in Aihole. One can have a panoramic view of the entire Aihole village and all the monuments of Aihole from the hilltop. The hill is supposed to be the site of Aihole Fort, but except the walls, none of the sculptures survive today.
Hi Titash. How are you feeling?
Mallikarjuna Temple, which located just at the bottom of Meguti Hill. The complex has 5 temples built in different styles ranging from small to medium. The main temple in this complex is dated likely around 7th century. As you enter the temple, the stepped pyramidal shikhara of Mallikarjuna Temple is iconic. The towering shikhara dominates the picture and the sloping roof temple adds style of the skyline. Also, the smaller signs in this complex were likely built in the late Chalukya period, around 12th century. Ravalphadi. Ravalphadi is one of the oldest rock-cut cave temple in Aihole, located just at the distance of 300 meters from Mallikarjuna group temples. This temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva. There are 3 halls or mandapas inside the cave. The innermost one is the Garbhagriha. On the left wall of the outermost hall, there is a mesmerizing sculpture of Nataraja Shiva with 10 hands, and the Parvati along with Ganesha, Kartikeya and Saptamatrikas or 7 mothers of the Hindu mythology. You will also get to see Varaha Avatar and Dwarpal Shiva on the left side. And on the right side of the hall, there is a sculpture of Harihara and Shiva Parvati. In the middle hall, there is an amazing sculpture of Mahishasura Mardini.
Now we are in front of Durga Temple, the best known and studied of Aihole temples, and a part of UNESCO World Heritage Painting List. Though this temple dedicated to Lord Surya and Vishnu, but it's popularly known as Durga Temple. According to one theory, this temple was located near the ruins of a fort-like enclosure or Durga during late medieval era. The temple was dated by early 5th century CE but variously revised between late 6th century to 8th century CE. This temple is iconic for its apsidal layout, which is quite similar to both this Chaita or hall of 1st century BCE found in Ajanta caves. Durga Temple has many panels displaying gods and goddesses from Hindu tradition such as Shiva, Vishnu, Harihara, Durga, Mahishasuramardini, Ganga, Yamuna, Brahma, Surya and many others. Also, there are many friezes in this temple to tell the story of Ramayana and Mahabharata. Durga Temple is a great combination of Dravida and Nagara style of architecture. You will find the influence of Nagara style in planning and architecture of this temple, while on other hand, decoration and designing are very much influenced by Dravida style of architecture. Aihole Archaeological Museum, located within the Durga Temple Complex in Aihole village. It was originally planned as a sculpture set in the year 1970 to collect and exhibit the sculpture and inscription found during the expedition in Aihole and surrounding areas, and it was converted into a full-fledged museum in the year 1987. The museum houses 381 exhibits, range in date from 6th to 15th century CE. Chalukya Shiva Temple, earlier known as Lord Khan Temple, dedicated to Lord Shiva. It is one of the oldest Hindu temple located in Aihole, dated back to 5th century CE. Lord Khan Temple is located to the south of Durga Temple. The temple shows clear sign of following early timber models, none of which have survived. The temple was built in a Panchatana style, indicating a very early experiment in temple construction. The roof above the Maha Mandapa shows a turret as an early version of modern towers.
Huchimalli Temple, which is about a kilometer away of the Durga Temple Complex on the other side of the Aihole village. The temple is east facing and dedicated to Lord Shiva. Inside the doorway, in the ceiling of mantapa, you will get to see three large intricate and circular carving. One is showing Brahma, Vishnu and Shiva and their respective vahanas. Jain Cave Temple. It is located to the south of the village on Meguti Hill. It is likely from the late 6th century. Outside of the temple looks simple, but the cave is intricately embellished inside. The carving symbolic Jain motifs designed very beautifully inside the cave. Here we end our video on Aihole. Please do comment and let us know how do you find this video. If you like the video, please share with others. Also, please do not forget to subscribe our channel for more videos. Take care and we will be back with new videos soon.